Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you my Flipkart and Amazon haul. So I have bought quite a few makeup products from Flipkart and Amazon both. So I am doing this collective haul. I was just waiting for 2 or 3 parcels to receive. So finally I am here with the video. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, all the products I have with me today are all makeup products. So let me first show you what I have bought from Flipkart. So the first product I want to show you guys is a set of 4 brushes. These brushes are really very affordable guys, and these are eye makeup brushes. This just came with a plastic packaging, and all of the packagings, most of the packagings I have thrown away because of this coronavirus. So sorry for that, but the product is this. I will attach all the prices on the screen so you can check it out from there. So these are all blending brushes, eyeshadow blending brushes, and you can also do your concealer with this. And this one as you can see, it has a pointed tip, so you can apply your eyeshadow, and you can also smudge your lower lash line. But this is not that good to smudge your lower lash line, but if you don't have any pencil brush or smudger brush, so you can just do the same work with this. So this is the first one. The second one is a little bit small fluffy brush, eyeshadow blending brush. The third one is also a eyeshadow blending brush, but it is a little bit bigger. And this is also eyeshadow blending brush, as you can see. And with this brush you can just also dust out your powder or any other eyeshadow fallout from your face. So I just use it for that purpose because it's a really very big blending brush for me. So I just use it to dust out my excess eyeshadows. So these are my first product. The next 2 products I have is from Blue Heaven, and these are Blue Heaven eyeliners. So these 2 comes in a cardboard packaging, but I am sorry that I can't show you the packaging because I have thrown most of the packagings. So the first one is a green eyeliner, and these eyeliners are really very affordable, and you can just roll it, and can you see that? You have to just roll it and roll it back. You don't have to sharpen it. I don't personally prefer those eyeliners or any kind of pencil makeup products which we have to sharp, because that's how we just end up wasting most of the product. So this system is really very good for me. So this is a green eyeliner. And the next one I have, it's a black eyeliner. Same process, you don't have to sharpen it. This also comes in a blue color, but I have already a blue eyeliner, so I just got myself this green and black. So the next product I have is also a eyeliner, and it's a black eyeliner, and it's from Wet n Wild. It's called Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner, and this is also really very affordable. And this is a really very big brush, as you can see. Compared to this, can you see the quantity? So this is really a very big eyeliner. It's a little bit waxy than the Blue Heaven one, but it really is very nice to smudge out, you know. If you want to do smoky eyes, or you just want to apply it on your lower lash line and just smudge it, then it's really smudge out really very easy. So the next product I have with me is from Johnson. It's Johnson Wet Wipes. It's actually the baby wipes, but I use it as my makeup remover. I mean, I don't use it on my face, and when I am making this video and smudging all my lipsticks and eyeshadows and all that, so it's really comes out very handy to wipe those out. I mean, as I am doing it now, let me show you. So this is the wet wipe. It is normal the size of any other wet wipes you will found in the market, and this really wipes out the eyeshadows or eyeliners or lipsticks. I mean, this really makes very easy to me to wipe out all my makeups. I mean, mainly those which I swatch on my hand to show it on the videos. So this really does a very good job for me. And even when I use it on my face to just wipe out my makeup, it really works very nice. I mean, sometimes I use oil or any other creamy products to remove my makeup, so then I have to use these wet wipes to just wipe out my face. So one wet wipe is enough for wiping out all the makeup from my face. So this wet wipe is available in many other quantities. I mean, this contains, I think, 80 wet wipes in it. You can also get yourself a quantity of 30 wet wipes in it. So if you want to give it a try, I will suggest you to go for the small version, because everyone's skin is different, and I don't know whether it will work nice on your skin or not. But I hope that it will work on every skin type, because it's a baby product and baby products are used to be very gentle on your skin. So this is also a very nice system, because you can just pull a wet wipe from here, and it's really very hygienic, and you can just close it like this, and it's very sturdy. So I really like it of this reason. And if sometimes it happens that you can just get a wet wipes which don't have this facility of I don't know what it is called. I mean, I'm talking about this system. So those wet wipes sometimes turns to be dry, so that's really very bad. So for that purpose, it's really very good. So the next product I have with me is an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty 32 color eyeshadow palette, and this is called Hollywood. So you can see the price on the screen. So with this product I have a really very great disappointment, and with the next product also. This is also an eyeshadow palette. So one shade of each of these palettes are broken, and when I received it, the broken shade is all over the other shades. Though I just got them on a good discount, but that's not mean that you will receive a broken palette, right? So even the next one is a more disappointment. I will tell you why. So let me talk about this palette. So this palette is like this. So this doesn't have a outer packaging. ये ऐसा ही आया था मेरे पास. So ये वाला शेड जो आप देख रहे हो ना, so this shade is completely broken, and this is a black shade, and the black shade was all over the other shade. So I just really wiped them with a tissue paper very gently. But the palette itself is really very nice. All the shades are really very pigmented. I mean, highly pigmented, and these are shimmer shades. You will not get any matte shades. Let me check it out. One or two shades you will get matte. I mean, this pink shade and this purple shade. 2 or 3 shades you will get matte, but most of the shades are really shimmery. And the best part is you are getting a full size mirror here, as you can see. So that's really very great, and this mirror is really of nice quality. So let me just show you 1 or 2 swatches, because I can't swatch all the 32 shades in this video. guys, just see the pigmentation. Can you see? Let me just swatch 2-3 more shades for you. Can you just see, guys? All the shades are really very pigmented, guys. I really love this palette. In fact, I really love all the products which I have used from Swiss Beauty. And by the way, guys, this video is not sponsored by Swiss Beauty or Flipkart or Amazon. I just bought all these products by my own money, so this is not a sponsored video. I am sharing my own experience because I really like all the products which I have used from Swiss Beauty, and this palette is also as I was expecting. So the next product I have with me is also a eyeshadow palette, and this is from Hilary Rhoda. So with this palette I just ordered palette number 2, which was a multicolor palette, and I received a neutral palette which is palette number 1. As you can see, it's written on the back. This is palette number 1 and this is a complete neutral palette. 1 or 2 shades you will get colorful, but most of the shades are on the neutral side. I already have so many neutral palettes and I don't want any other neutral palette, and I received this one, so that's really very bad, guys. I don't know why Flipkart is doing this, because they don't even have any return policy. I mean, not because of this situation, I mean this coronavirus situation, they don't have any return policy forever. So I mean for these makeup products only. So I don't know why they are not sending the right product. This is really very sad, guys. The colorful palette which I was expecting to receive is a dupe of the NYX Ultimate palette, but okay, I just received this one, and this palette is really very affordable, guys. This is around 200 or something. But this palette is really nice because all the colors are really very pigmented. Let me just show you some swatches. So you will get some matte colors and some shimmer colors in it. This is a little bit chalky, but it's nice. So this is a matte color, this is a white, off-white kind of a color. So, and this is a golden color, this is shimmer color, this is a maroon, this is also matte, and next step, this is a beautiful purple color. Can you see, guys? So guys, I'm really very disappointed about the packaging of Flipkart, because they just send their products in a cardboard packaging. They don't use any bubble wrap. I mean, I don't know why, because you are sending a makeup product, especially the eyeshadows, you are sending like this without any bubble wrap. What is this? So that's a little bit, I mean, not little bit, I mean that's a really very great disappointment for me. I mean, I'm not happy with my purchase from Flipkart only because of their packaging. The eyeshadows which were broken, only because of their packaging, they have not sent them with a bubble wrap. When I ordered my makeup products from Nykaa or Amazon, they are really very good at their packaging. They pack all their products very nicely and with very patience. So that's all for my Flipkart haul. Now let's quickly see what I have got from Amazon. So the first product I want to show you guys, this is a makeup organizer. So you can store your lipsticks and nail polishes and any other small tube kind of product in this, and this really organizes your makeup, and you know, if you store your products in a compact place, so that really saves your place, and it is really very easier to find out your product. So I have already one of this makeup organizer that was from Miniso, and I think I should try another from Amazon. So this is the product. This is a very nice cardboard packaging. This packaging is really very sturdy, and the product is like this. So this has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 24 compartments in it. As you can see, you can store 24 lipsticks or nail polish, or you can just mix them as you want, and you can just store it like this. So that's really very nice, guys, and I really like this product. This is really sturdy. So guys, this is a plastic material and not of glass, so that's a really great thing, because I am really very clumsy and I always drop my products and just broke it. So if you by chance drop this, you will have a less chance to break it. So that's why I really love this. So the next product I have with me is a makeup setting spray, and this is from Facious Canada. So here it is. This also comes in a normal cardboard packaging, as you can see. I have never used this before. I have used Swiss Beauty का makeup fixer spray and Color Bar का भी मैंने use किया है. इस बार मैंने सोचा कि चलो इसको try करते हैं. So this is a nice quantity you will get. So this packaging is really very nice, guys. This is really very travel friendly, because you have to give a bit more pressure to open this up. Can you hear the sound? This is really very nice, guys. This is awesome for traveling. So the other makeup fixer spray which I have, they just opens up really very easy, but that's not with this product. So if you are a traveler and want to travel and like to travel, this is for you guys. So I can just tell how it works because I haven't used it till. So maybe in some of my next video I will share the review of this product. So the next product is from Miniso, and this is a beauty blender with a stand. This is so cute, guys. I can't even tell you how cute is this. And this is the sponge. Can you see? This is so cute. You have to make it wet before using it, and this is dry now. When you will make it wet, it will increase in size as the other beauty blenders do. And this comes with a rose gold cute little stand, so you can just put it like this. So guys, this stand is really very useful for me, because I have only purchased this because of this stand. I have a lot of beauty blenders. I don't need a beauty blender right now, but I just bought it because I want this stand. This stand is really very useful, guys. Let me tell you why. Suppose you are using a sponge, I mean a beauty blender, and you want to put it back in somewhere and do your contour and blush or something, and then you have to use it back. So ऐसा होता है कि हम ये कहीं भी वैनिटी पे रख देते हैं तो ये डर्टी हो जाता है ना, तो इसलिए बहुत ही अच्छा है ये स्टैंड. यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट लाइक दिस and it will not be dirty. So that's why I really love this product. I mean especially this stand, and this is a nice rose gold color. And another thing, guys, when you have already finished your makeup and you washed your sponge and you have to put it in somewhere, so in that purpose also you can just put it in the stand and you can just dry it. That's how it will be really very hygienic for your beauty blender. So the next product I have with me, this is from Hilary Rhoda, and this is highlighter and contour and corrector palette. So this looks like this. So the picture it has in the side, it looks like really very dark, and I just picked it because I want to do contour. So I wanted a contour palette, and so I picked it from Amazon. but the picture which was at the side, that was really very dark. I will attach the picture on the screen so you can just compare these two side by side. This is not a contour palette, guys, because all the shades here are really very light. No one can use these shades for their contouring. No matter how fair you are, you can't use this palette as your contouring, because none of these shades are really useful for contouring. But if you want a concealer palette or a corrector, then this is for you. Can you see, guys? I have used it 2 or 3 times, so it's a little bit dirty, excuse me for that. So this is this has a orange corrector here, as you can see, and these are really very creamy, guys. You have a orange corrector, and all the other shades are good for a concealer. So let me just show you these are really very creamy, and these are really very pigmented. The product itself is really very nice, guys, but the picture it has on the website is really very misguiding. You can see. So इसका पैकेजिंग कुछ ऐसा था, and this is like this. So the next product I have with me is cotton pads, and these are for makeup removal, and I have 6 of them. Let me show you. So guys, I have 6 packet of cotton pads because I really use this for my makeup removal, and so I just bought 6 of them. You can also buy single packet or 2 packet or pack of 3 or pack of 4, pack of 5. You will get many options for this. So if you purchase one, it will cost you 89 rupees each, and all the 6 of them cost me, I think 350 or under 350. I didn't remember. Check it out from the screen. So the next product I have with me is also from Miniso, and these are crystal eye makeup brushes, and just look at this beauty, guys. Can you see, guys? These are so beautiful, guys, and the bristles are also really very nice. This comes in a normal plastic type of packaging. These brushes are really very beautiful, guys. Can you see? And this packaging is really very nice. You can just tap it and they will not fall out. So these are really very nice. You can just keep this and throw this one out, and you can just store your brushes in this. So let me just show you the brushes one by one. So the first brush is a pencil brush or a smudger brush, you can say. The next one is an angular brush. You can see it's an angular brush, and look at the body of the brush. This is so freaking beautiful, guys. So the next brush I have with me is a small eyeshadow blending brush, and the fourth one is also a blending brush, but it is slightly angular, so it will be multi-purpose to blend your eyeshadow. And okay, so the next one is a eyeshadow applicator brush. You can apply your eyeshadow with this. You can just pack your eyeshadow with this brush. So the next product I have with me from Amazon, this is also from Hilary Rhoda, and this is an eyeshadow palette. So as you can see the packaging, this is a normal cardboard packaging, and the product is, let me just open it up. So this is the product. These contain 24 colors in it. Some of them are matte colors or some of them are shimmer colors. And guys, guess what? I ordered the multicolor one of this palette and I again received the wrong palette. So guys, this disaster just happened with me with Flipkart, and again with Amazon this happened with me. I ordered the multicolor one, I received the wrong palette. This is really very disappointing guys. I don't know what will I do with this palette because they don't have any return policy. I am checking out whether I could make use of it. I am really very sad with this, though I don't have any complaint with their packaging because as you can see all the shades are really very intact. They packed their all products with bubble wrap. I mean the packaging is really 5 out of 5, but they have sent a wrong palette, so that's really very disappointing guys. I don't know what to say. So again all the shades are really very pigmented, though I haven't used it. Let me swatch it. I'm just swatching 4 to 5 shades for you. So this contains almost all the shades are shimmer, but some of the shades, as you can see, this white one and this one, these two neutral colors, these three in fact, and again this one, these 1 2 3 4 5 6, these 6 colors you will get matte here, and all the other colors are shimmery. So let me quickly show you the swatches. The shades are really very pigmented guys. Oh my god, can you see the shades? These are really very pigmented. This palette is itself a very nice palette, but the unfortunate me, I don't have anything to say with this palette guys. I'm so sad with this. The palette is really nice. If you want it, you can just go and I will share all the links in the description box below. So if you want anything from this haul, you can just go and check it out from the link. So the next product I have with me is the most beautiful product of this haul. This is a contour brush and this looks like this, and the packaging is really very impressive guys. Can you see? This is a cardboard packaging. I mean it's actually not a packaging, it's a top cover. It covers the bristles of the brush, and this is really very hygienic for the brush and for your skin because it will protect your brush from any dirt. So the top half is covered with this plastic, and here is two small clip type of thing. You have to just open it and it opens like this, and look at this beauty guys. This is so freaking cool guys. Just see, this is a fish shape kind of a brush. I mean it's not a fish shape, it looks like a fish tail. So this is really very nice guys, and when you are using this fish shape gives you really very nice control with your brush, and you can just easily blend your contour products on your face. So this is really very nice, and the bristles are also really very soft, so this is not at all harsh on your skin. So I really like this product, and this is quite affordable guys. And these brushes also come with other types of brush. I mean they also have this nice texture and color. So this has a really nice ombre effect in it. As you can see, it fades from deep pink to light pink. So this is so good, right? And the next product I have with me, and this is the last product of this haul, this is Garnier Micellar Water. So this is a makeup removal water. I am sure guys you know about this product. I usually use this as my makeup remover. Obviously I use other products also, but this is my favorite of all that, because this is really very affordable according to the quantity you are getting. So this also comes in a really small bottle. If you are trying this for the first time, I mean if you want to try this, you can just purchase the smaller version of this. Don't go for the bigger bottle. This is the bigger bottle, so don't go for this one, because when you are trying any product or this product for the first time, you don't need to buy the bigger version. Whether it is on a discount or not, don't just buy the big bottles. Go for the smallest version of any product, because you are applying this product on your face for the first time. You don't know whether it's going to suit your skin or not. So if you ask about my suggestion, I will suggest you to go for the smaller version of any product as well as this product. So that is all for today, guys. If you like this video and found it useful, don't forget to hit this big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friend. And also comment down below if you have a disaster of buying makeup products from Amazon or Flipkart or Nykaa or any other website. I will really like to know your experience. And also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. Please go and check it out. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned with me. Bye bye, guys.